Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and today I'm showing y'all how to take off my Gel X nails. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. First, you're going to clip down your nails if you need to. Ignore the fact that I keep pushing this little thing in the back down. Sometimes it's raggedy and it don't stay on. Next thing you're going to do is drill off the top layer of your nails with an e-drill, or if you don't have an e-drill, you can use a file or a buffer, but I would suggest getting an e-drill. Okay, so now you're going to soak cotton balls in acetone and then wrap them onto your fingernails with foil. You're just going to keep doing that for every fingernail, and then you're going to let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once you've been sitting, playing on your phone, watching TV, whatever you've been doing for the past 20, 30 minutes, you can go ahead and take them foils off. Don't throw them away though, you're gonna need them again. Once you take them off, start drilling your fingernails and take off whatever gel has melted, for lack of a better word. Now at this point, I hope y'all didn't throw them foils away because I told you was going to need them again. Go ahead and put the foil back on and soak for another 20 to 30 minutes. Surprise, surprise, take the foils off and drill again. Once you've drilled the gel off, you can go ahead and wipe your natural fingernails down with some alcohol. And I know y'all see my cute little dispenser. Go ahead and check out my last video to see where I got it from. Alright, now it's time for some nail prep to keep your natural nails healthy and so you'll be ready for your next set. Go ahead and push your cuticles back and then trim off the dead skin around your cuticles. And now here I am awkwardly filing my nails. I go off camera several times. I don't know why filing your nails is so awkward, but go ahead and file your nails. Alright, so here I am cleaning up my workstation, and another opportunity for a shameless plug so you can go back and check out my last video of where I got these little cloths from. Last but not least, time for my favorite part, some cuticle oil. Alright y'all, we're all done. Our nails are looking nice and healthy, and we're ready for our next set. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.